Here is a big Sadhguru photo inside a Bhiksha hall. And here all the volunteers and people are preparing for a food, Annadanam, happening on MahaShivRatri. Annadanam is a process where Isha Foundation offers a food to all the people who comes for the Isha MahaShivRatri at Isha Yoga Center. And you can see the heap of vegetables here. And for tomorrow's MahaShivRatri celebration, Annadanam offering, these people have started preparing food today itself. And you can see how big is this. And here are fruits, bananas, preserving very well inside the Bhiksha hall. And even you can see the red bananas. Not only for few hundred, few thousand, lakhs together people eat at MahaShivRatri. You can see. And you can see small children, even they are also volunteering at Bhiksha hall here. Hi.
Namaskaram. My name is Arya, and my experience is very fun because I love this feeling is very fun because it just happens, and many people are gonna eat what we are feeling right now. So I feel very proud that I'm contributing to the cooking for MahaShivRatri.
Super.
And yeah, thank you.
See how children are dedicated themselves for this beautiful work.
Namaskaram, my name is Vedika. This is the first MahaShivRatri here, and this is all the prep.
And there are no age barrier for this volunteering at ashram, and everyone is so joyful.
Namaskaram everyone, I'm a student from IHS. My name is Hriday Chopra. So this is not my first time. I've been here from 3rd grade since COVID, like 2020, and this place is very good. I've come here twice. When I come here, I feel like so energized, and like I like helping this place. And like some of my friends like Archit, Advait, Orang, Adit, Jai, Rudranj, Pramodar, Arush, Ashwat, Jayant and Obovik, like they came here like last time, and like yeah, because COVID time we couldn't come when I was in like 4th grade, because I don't know, I'm not sure. Yeah, my experience is very good. I like this place a lot. Wish everyone happy MSR or MahaShivRatri. I wish I could see something.
And from Bhiksha hall, we are entering akshaya. Akshaya is a kitchen where the food cooks for all the ashram people. And for MahaShivRatri tomorrow, Maha Annadanam is happening. For the lakhs together people, food cooks inside this kitchen, and we are just entering this to showcase how the food cooks. And loads of groceries here. There are thousands of people busy inside this kitchen. Come, let's go inside. I think you never saw this Akshaya Kitchen before in our Sadhguru Darshan YouTube channel. Now we are exclusively showing Akshaya Kitchen to all of you. A kitchen inside Isha Yoga Center, exclusively only for Sadhguru Darshan YouTube channel viewers. There are many types of vegetables here you can find. There are a few names we don't even know. Namaskaram.
एक्सपीरियंस क्या है अभी इधर तो मैंने आया 4 महीना हुआ है डायरेक्ट आने के बाद इधर से काम जो कर रहे थोड़ा बहुत इंश्योरेंस हुआ जो हमको ये कभी देखा नहीं इधर आके देखने वाला कुछ मिला है इसका नाम भी सुना है
Okay.
जो काम करते हैं वो अच्छा लगता है सब लोग के साथ में देख के और सदगुरु के साथ में है आज भी दर्शन हुआ सदगुरु के साथ क्या हुआ था और गाड़ी लेके जा रहा था रोड पे और हमारा मुलाकात हुआ था ऐसे इधर काम करने के लिए बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है ऐसे ही तो इधर सदगुरु के पास आया तो एकदम परफेक्ट जगह पे आया है आदमी लोग को इज्जत करते हैं ऐसे नमन करते हैं हमारा कोलकाता में नहीं है यार ऐसा इज्जत कर रहे हैं बहुत हमको वही अच्छा लग रहा है
Thank you, Anna. Thank you so much.
Namaskaram. Feeling very blessed to be a part of Akshaya, and I would like to say much gratitude to Gurudev Sadhguru for providing me wonderful opportunity to be a part of MahaShivRatri MSR 2024 Shambho.
And there are so many people working inside the Akshaya. Everyone are sharing their experience. And you can see the food. And there are many containers here, steaming containers, boiling containers. White rice. There are many types of vegetables and what do you call lentils, and that is a sweet. Sweets happening here, and my favorite thing is sweet. And of course, we have to see this. We have to show this. Wow. And this is a special type of sambar, a healthy and sattvic sambar. Akshaya Kitchen. A bread making machine, a bread cutting machine, sorry. special cream bun is making inside the akshaya. Akka is telling it's most people's favorite, and this is not a cream that you will get in the bakery. This is a special healthy cream. What is that? क्या है वो? Okay. They're dipping that in the coconut powder. And some beautiful and tasty healthy cookies. And that cookie is made of this thing. And raw vegetables will clean, will chop here in this section. See, this is the washing section. Sadhguru is cooking in that photo.
Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
It's the first time I'm volunteering in Isha Yoga Center. I'm 10 minutes volunteering, and my experience with Sadhguru is just so amazing that he's with everybody. So we are here with so much food, cooking for MahaShivRatri, and I think it's coming like 7,000 people, and we are cooking for all of them. And I'm very touched for this opportunity.
Thank you.
Namaskaram Anna. My name is Murli Prasad. I'm from Coimbatore. I'm here today volunteering for MahaShivRatri Annadanam.
Okay.
So it's my first time here. I've been so happy, and I enjoy working here in the ashram for tomorrow Maha Annadanam. So we are going to serve a lot of people. It's going to be a fun, rideless joy here. Thank you Anna. Namaskaram.
Namaskaram.
नमस्कार अन्ना, मेरा नाम प्रदीप, मैं जयपुर से हूँ और 3 मार्च से आया हुआ हूँ यहाँ पे, और मेरी वॉलंटियरिंग का अनुभव मुझे बहुत सुंदर और शानदार मिला है, और ये अनुभव मैं सभी को बताऊँगा, मेरे दोस्तों को इसके बारे में। जो आनंद आया है, मुझे पता है कि ये अनुभव मुझे कहाँ तक लेके जाएगा। सुपर अनुभव, बहुत शानदार अनुभव है। नमस्कार अन्ना।
And here are people are sharing their experience, and many people are volunteering for the first time for this MahaShivRatri, and that is the amazing thing. And you heard of small children, even they are doing for MahaShivRatri volunteering. They are enjoying this. And the complete tour of Akshaya at Isha Yoga Center, our biggest kitchen at Isha. Thank you so much for watching this video, and MahaShivRatri more exclusive videos will be uploaded soon on Sadhguru Darshan YouTube channel. Keep watching our channel. Thanks for watching. Pranam.